Congress continues to conceal facts and the Congress ministers continue to evade our cameras. Let's now listen into top UPM Minister Kapil Sibal and see him evading our cameras.
Sir, when we are talking about the judicial system and it comes to Karnal Purohit, Army has said in the Supreme Court that Karnal Purohit was working for Army, not for an individual. So why Congress has suppressed the facts for number?
Sir, this is press conference is on the impeachment motion. Please ask only questions relating to the impeachment.
After the anti-Modi protests in London, the British Foreign Office apologised to India for the national flag burning incident that took place at London's Parliament Square. India on its part has made it clear that UK will have to initiate legal action against those involved in the flag burning incident. MEA said that a strong protest has been lodged with their UK counterparts and the flag was immediately replaced.
Deeply anguished with the incident involving our national flag at Parliament Square yesterday. The moment the incident came to our notice, the matter was immediately taken up promptly and strongly with the UK side. The UK side has regretted the incident at the highest level. The flag was immediately replaced. We expect action, including legal action, against the people who were involved in the incident.
After AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi met with the Telangana governor seeking a retrial in the Mecca Masjid blasts case, families of the victims of the blast have spoken out, saying that they would be willing to pursue the case legally if Owaisi provided them assistance. After the opposition tried to fearmonger and spread panic, the SBI has come out to say that the cash crunch will end today. SBI confirmed that there was a shortage in few parts of the country due to high demand and that the issue is resolved. A special CBI court issued a non-bailable warrant against RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad's close aide Bhola Yadav, a Bihar MLA, for his remarks on the fodder scam verdict, which led to a contempt of court case against him. Reports suggest that the Bengal BJP could rope in Swami Azimanand to campaign for the party. Azimanand, remember, was acquitted just days ago in the Mecca Masjid blasts case. The Delhi High Court served a notice to a mobile brand after cricketer MS Dhoni filed a contempt petition. Dhoni's legal team accused the brand of using Dhoni's picture in their ads even after the termination of their contract. Pakistani actor and singer Ali Zafar, who's worked on a few projects in Bollywood too, has responded to the sexual assault allegations levelled against him. After actor and singer Misha Shafi accused him of sexual misconduct, Zafar denied the same and said that he would take legal action.